The Fed is holding interest rates. Home prices are still climbing, and Trump's policies could shake the real estate market. So what happens next? Will 2025 be a year of opportunity or disaster for home buyers and real estate investors? Stick around because today we're breaking down the United States real estate market. How's it going, everyone? My name is James Santiago and welcome to your show, Learn Wealthy. And for everyone who's new to the show, I am a real estate agent and a real estate investor here at Houston, Texas. So let's talk about real estate. Part 1, National Real Estate Overview. So the US housing market is in serious trouble, not just because inventory is low, but also because demand is even lower. Here is the reality check. Home transactions are at a record low. In 2024, total existing home sales hit just 4.06 million, the lowest since 1995. Now compare that to 2008, when 4.95 million homes were sold, during the worst housing crash in modern history. I know. But if you put that into context, when you adjust for population, home sales are even worse than 2008. 2008 US population is 304 million. So 1.63% of the population bought a home. 2024 US population is 331 million. So only 1.23% of the population bought a home. That's a massive decline in home ownership activity. Even during the depths of the Great Recession, more people were buying homes per capita than they are today. Why is that? Well, affordability is shot. Mortgage rates are still hovering above 7%, and that's about historical average, but if you combine that with the highest home prices in history, then this is what you get. Inflation has also been eating away at people's savings. The cost of living is so high that people can't even afford a down payment. And the sellers don't want to sell either on the supply part. Many homeowners have still locked down on ultra low rates, even though some of those have been refinanced now. The key takeaway, real estate market is not just slowing down, it's kind of stagnating. Transaction numbers are collapsing, and the affordability crisis is keeping both buyers and sellers on the sidelines. Part 2, Metro Area Breakdown. As we know, real estate is hyper-local, so we're about to go hyper-local. Alright, while some cities are holding strong, others are seeing major slowdowns. Some cities where prices are still rising. Wheeling, West Virginia, about a 20% growth year over year. Johnston, Pennsylvania, about a 16% growth. Huntington, Ashland Metro, we're seeing about 14.8% growth. And then we have cities where the prices are cooling down. We got Austin, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, and Boise, Idaho. Now, these are former hot markets, and we're now seeing price reductions. Longer days on market, and fewer bidding wars as affordability drops. Part 3, how Trump's 2025 policies could impact US real estate. Alright, let's break down some of the hot new policies that are shaking up our economy and real estate market. Number 1, we have 3 new energy policies to boost economic growth. First one, more homegrown energy. Imagine cutting through all the red tape so that oil and natural gas can be produced faster and more efficient here at home. This means cheaper energy for businesses and homeowners alike, which can lead to more building and development. And then number 2, we have the clean energy boost. Think of it like a bonus for using green energy. The government is offering tax breaks and grants to encourage renewable energy projects. This not only helps the planet for our little Greta,
how dare you,
but this can also create jobs and spark local growth that would benefit local real estate. And then number 3, upgrading the power grid. This is about modernizing our energy systems. Imagine fixing the kinks in your internet connection. Better energy networks means lower cost and more reliable power for developments and projects, and for everybody else. Another policy that Trump signed is the beautification of government buildings. New laws are making sure that our government buildings look great and work better. When public spaces are improved, it makes communities feel more vibrant and attractive. This can boost local pride. Not that kind of pride. Visitors and Americans alike can be like, whoa, this is America right here. And this can even help increase property values. And of course, as you know, Trump is streamlining government efficiency. Trump, Elon, and Vivek is cutting out unnecessary government bureaucracy. Sort of like cleaning up a messy room by reducing redundant roles and modernizing how things work. More money can be redirected to public services and infrastructure that could benefit neighborhoods and property markets. Another one Trump's implementing is the tariffs on Mexico and Canada. So new tariffs on import on Mexico and Canada are meant to give U.S. producers a fair share.
So we'll be announcing the tariffs on Canada and Mexico for a number of reasons. Number one is the people that have poured into our country so horribly and so much. Number two are the drugs, fentanyl, and everything else that have come into the country. And number three are the massive subsidies that we're giving to Canada and to Mexico in the form of deficits.
While these tariffs may rise prices on some goods, or maybe not, Trump said we don't really need anything from them.
We will be able to make that up very quickly because we don't need the products that they have. We have all the oil you need. We have all the trees you need, meaning the lumber.
But these can also encourage local manufacturing and job growth. More jobs means more people could buy homes or invest in real estate, especially in industrial or commercial areas. And then last one, we have the immigration policies. Recent immigration processes are designed to make legal immigration process smoother and then strengthen border security. By attracting skilled workers and making the labor market more efficient, these reforms help boost the economy. A strong workforce leads to better job opportunities, higher incomes, and ultimately more demand for housing. Ta-da! Plus, easier visa process might bring in more international students and professionals. I was once an international student in the US from the Philippines, so I love this one. But overall, this could energize local rental and housing markets. All right, in a nutshell, these new policies, from energy boosts and prettier government buildings to streamlined operations, fairer trade, and smarter immigration, are all part of a plan to keep our economy strong and our real estate market booming in 2025. Whether you're an investor, a developer, a homeowner, or someone just curious, understanding these changes can help you make better decisions. Thanks for tuning in into our first real estate market update for this year. I hope these insights give you a clearer picture of how these policies are shaping economic and real estate landscape. Stay with us for more updates and feel free to reach out with any questions in the comments. Until next time, for more investing, finance, real estate, and macroeconomics, let's all learn wealthy together. I'll see you in the next video.